This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Hey, what's up? We're at the Motor Expo. I'm gonna walk you through this. It's Yangwang U8. It's electric, but it has a range extender. And this is the car that floats, or the I don't know what you call it, truck, Jeep, but it's quite massive. Compared to the Geländewagen, it seems to be a lot longer and more spacious. And okay, let me check out now. What does it look like? Oh, it actually has a steering wheel on the left side with the right side, not the right side with the wrong side. But, well, I guess it has the typical interior as a Chinese car, a nice plush interior. What the heck, man? Look at this. Well, okay, let me get inside. But let me just show you now. Yeah, this seems to be a Chinese version, but did the thing go? Look at that! Huh? It actually hides. Wow. So you can step up here, small Asians on me, if you want to reach the roof. And then if I close it, it also has soft close. Of course. Wait, this thing is built like a tank. Double glazed windows. It becomes nice and quiet in here. Well, let me cool down here. Oh, while I have the chance. Oh, I'm getting sweaty because I've been running around. Well, this is interesting. Wait, is it concave or convex? But the screen, I think it's convex, right? Concave is the other. It's a convex screen. What the heck, man? That's crazy. Yeah, here, look at this. You have some dials here. Oh, you go from normal to sport. Do we have off-road here? What? Wow, dude, the resistance on this jog when I turn it is wonderful. It's like twisting a knob on the Mercedes EQS. Also here, oh, this is the terrain, sand, land. Do we have muddy? Do we have wading? Oh, shit. Okay, of course. And then electric adjustable here. Send it data to China. What is this? Then it pops out. But wow, the interior. Okay, I'm not a fan of this. Probably want to turn it off. But oh, look at this. Isn't this like Range Rover style? Huh? Oh yeah. How many sun visors do you have? I have zwei. Okay, nice seats. Center console. Okay, max 50 watts. Yeah, that's great. I can charge my phone here while I'm waiting. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. Great. Center console. What? Oh, of course. Wait, is this a fridge? Seems to be a fridge. They haven't taken out the plastic here yet. Cup holders there. We have the bridge sign. USB-A, I see. Probably USB-C somewhere down there. Well, what are these kind of handles? Are we supposed to make a port move in here? I'm not sure, but okay, anyway. Oh, there's also a screen there. I find it kind of useless. Plenty of headroom here. Oh, sorry, seems like the white balance is a bit off now because of because of the interior is so brown. So the camera's white balance is like, what the heck is this? Trying to adjust it compared to versus the brown interior. But yeah, so if you then go boating, you can then open up here, right? When the car floats on the river, you can open it like this, right? And then you go fishing. Okay. Wow. But I have to check out the back. But very convenient. When you have toddlers, Daddy Bjorn knows that this is very convenient, that you can adjust the front seat just from here. Or of course, if you can do it from the screen here, just gonna see what they actually ported it to English. Oh, not too bad. Oh yeah, okay, cool. What is this Unreal Engine? Ooh, nice. Wading. I wanna go wade. Please use it in OK state. Okay. Well, okay, pretty cool. But we check out outside. Wait, is it? Can I get trapped in here? Oh, Oh, let me check something here. I want to see the seals, because you need one seal there. You have an additional seal here, seems to be on the bottom. We have one door seal here, there's a tape there. It needs to be properly sealed. Oh, I wonder if once you close the door, that this also acts as an additional seal. I'm not sure, but how do they make this thing waterproof? It's Weissnicht, but the crazy thing is that it is a fossil. Well, it has Rex. So when you close here and the thing closes, I wonder if that pushes against the seal, because I was wondering, like, is this fossil or what? No, but you look here, you see that it has an exhaust there, but it's for the Rex only. So, well, this thing is a beast compared to Geländewagen. How about here? Wow, look at that space! You could almost fit some Thai people in the trunk here. Or another, I was about to say another seat row, but plenty of space. And just that interior just looks so nice. And of course here you can fold stuff. Oh, there's outlet here. Well, is it vehicle to load, or is it actually an additional inverter? I'm not sure, but let's see. Do we have more space under here? Okay, not that much. Probably because there's some, yeah, I bet there's, the Rex is down here. Of course, it eats up some space. Let me see, how do you close this? Just slam it. There, okay. But like, if this thing's gonna float, there must be seals all over the place. I'm more interested in that part. How do you seal everything so that water doesn't come in? Okay, it is probably tight, right? Hey, what interesting, the backup camera is here. And then charge port is here. Wait, no, this is for the Rex, I forgot. This is fossil. The other side is a charge port. But we check if it's, check here. Yeah, so it's the GBT and the inverted Type 2s. That's what they use in China. It's kind of weird. They use the wrong gender in China for the Type 2 and then the GBT. So it hasn't been ported for Thailand. But okay, let's check out in here. We have the handles for entering it. Nice screens here. Electric adjustable seats. Let me see, how much can we recline it? Oh, that's the maximum. Wait. Okay, that seems to be maximum. Maximum down. Can we do? I think that's muscle. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, they did something there. Okay, but it's getting. What the heck, man? Interesting design on things here. That's the emergency release, so you don't get trapped in the car. Yeah, and that's the regular release. Well, okay, let me check out here. You climb in here, maybe a little bit unnatural for me because I'm also holding the camera, and then soft close, of course. Whoa! This is nice comfort, how to say. Plenty of headroom. The hands here, the speaker grill there. Okay, just a tiny screen here though. Okay, you can adjust some stuff here. 26 degrees Celsius. Okay, I don't want to be boiling here. Let me lower it a bit. 20 degrees. Okay, there's some stuff in Chinese here. Actually, nice height on the seat. And then I'm gonna check the center console. How much? Yeah, of course. You have a screen here. Nobody uses that screen. You want to use this screen here for doing the slide to unlock. Yeah, you have all the settings here. Yeah, so you have USB A, USB C here. Cool charging plate here, perfect for overheating iPhones. Wow. Okay. Anyway, I think I'm gonna get out now. Let me see. Uh-oh, I'm locked inside. Ah! Let me use the emergency release. I'm locked inside. Maybe the child thing is on, okay? Because that part is actually not illuminated, but this side here is illuminated. I don't know what happened. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna get out here. I think maybe someone activated the child lock on the other side, so that means that other people who get in there, they're gonna be trapped also. But man, this thing is a beast. Will it ever come to Europe? Is it gonna be too heavy? I don't know, but at least I checked it out. Hopefully I can try it out in China when I'm there. See if I can float on the river. But, okay, maybe one last thing I need to check here before. Okay, let me see. How do we enter the? Is it here? Let's see what? I have to check under the hood. Dude, this thing is so massive that I'm standing next to it, and you see how high the hood is. So my wife, who's 151 centimeters, she will be just like roughly on the same height of the of the hood here. Okay, there's some fossil stuff here, the wreck stuff, plus the electric drivetrains. It's freaking packed with stuff. So unlike some of the other cars I've seen where the under the hood is quite empty, here it's just I don't know, car stuff. Do we even have space for no, we don't. I don't think we have any leftover spaces, man. It's really crazy, man. Okay, anyway, let's close this. At least it has there. Okay, it has the struts for holding it up. So there you have it. The beast from the east. So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching. Talk to you later.